Okay, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to be demonstrating 10 of the most useful Microsoft Word shortcut keys. The first one is Shift and F3. So if you select the line, the title, whatever you want, that you want to change the capitalization in it, you hold down the Shift and the F3, and you can actually change the font to whatever you like, okay? So I'm happy with the title case. Another useful key or a set of shortcut keys that you can put together is when you receive a document from somebody and it's in a really strange format and it's difficult for you to work on it. And you'd rather have it in the normal format so you can edit it, you can do whatever you want. So what you do is that you actually go to the place. You don't necessarily need to select anything. And you hold down the Control, Shift, and the letter N. And hold on a second. Okay, let me see. I don't think I need to select anything, but I'm just going to try that. So yeah, Control, Shift, and the letter N. And I just deleted it. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry. Okay, Control, Shift, and letter N. All right. So what happened, I don't know if you can see it from that distance or not. What you do have now is the normal formatting. So if you want to change, you want to modify, whatever, it's the normal one. It's a very useful key, this one. So Control, Shift, and N anywhere on the page or on the paragraph, and the style will be normal. Okay, that's an easy one. All right, let's go to the next one. Now, you all know about Control C. Control C copies, correct? All right. Now, let's say you've got a particular format. I'm going to make this for the purpose of this video. I'm going to make this bigger so you can see. All right. Now, as you can see, I said vegetables in green color and bold, fruits in red color and italics. So I've got a list of fruits and veggies down here. What I want to do is that I want to copy the format of vegetables, which is green and bold, and I want to apply it to the vegetables, correct? Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to highlight or select any section of the word. It doesn't have to be the whole word because we're just taking the font style, all right? And then I'm going to hold Control, Shift, and the C. Now, some of you, the brush does that. The paintbrush takes the format and does it. But the good thing about this is, until you get out of Word, the Word is going to remember that format. So you can always use it later on. But with the brush will go, right? Okay. So I just copied the format. And in order to paste it onto broccoli is a vegetable, as you know, and so is cucumber. All right. So what I'm going to do now is, what's the shortcut key for pasting? Control V, correct? So we're going to hold Control, Shift, and V. So now the format of vegetables is copied down to this one here. And the same thing for, okay, what about orange? Orange is a fruit, right? So I want it to be red and I want it to be italics. All right. So this is the fruit. I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to go Control. What's the shortcut again? Control, Shift, and C. I'm copying that, and I'm going to come and put it over orange. I can hold down the Control if I want to, which it isn't working, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, and then so Control, Shift, and V. So orange is there. So you get how I'm actually copying only the format, correct? Using those three keys, correct? Yeah? Happy with that? Yeah? All right, great. Let me just do that again to the vegetables. So Control, Shift, and C. And I'm going to bring it down to cauliflower, Control, Shift, V, and corn, Control, Shift, V. All right. So that's a very useful shortcut key. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is that the next key, I'm going to demonstrate it again here. It's called F4. Simply by pressing F4, you can repeat the previous action that you were doing. So whatever you're doing, you're deleting, you're editing, you're making big, you're making small, whatever you're doing, if you press F4 on its own, it will repeat the previous action. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go back over here to the styles that we had here. All right, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first copy vegetables, the format of the vegetable. So Control, Shift, and C copies the format. Now look what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring it on broccoli and cucumber, right? And I'm going to say Control, Shift, V. But then I want to do the same thing for cauliflower. So all I need to do is choose cauliflower and press F4. Yeah? So we repeat it. Yeah, corn and F4. Oops. Okay. Corn and F4. So it's going to copy it for me. And I can do that with fruits as well. Right? So Control Shift C, copy the format, and then I'm going to bring it onto orange. Control Shift V, and then I'm going to repeat that last action on watermelon and bananas simply by pressing F.